We're at the old wreck. Now, if you're still going, I want to show you something. Now, the last video you saw of this little winner, it was being driven in there, wasn't it? Yeah, well, it's been out since then, because I think you might notice a difference at the back. The eagle-eyed viewers might, because what's that? Somewhere in the annals of the videography, there is a video of the new exhaust system I made. Now, opening the set door on a little winner also will show you the new gear linkage, which is not the new gear linkage, it's the old gear linkage. It's just installed the right way up. Alright, okay, that's an EdShed fault. So reverse is up and left, and it's, I think, got 5 gears. I haven't driven it yet, so I don't know. The set of consoles have it, as you can see. I've got to make the top prop about his, anyway, it's catching, so that's fine. Obviously, Lee's going to make some carpet templates, which would be nice for this, because then we can, well, we can actually get the carpets back in it. So it's coming on, guys. I mean, I don't think there was a Schindler's List was written on the front, and this was all the things that had to be done, which is on the other video, so you can see loads have been ticked off. It has had a rising. I don't know whether you can see that. The eagle-eyed viewers will spot that the bloody thing's a lot higher than it was. Reason being is because I brought the torsion bars up. It was very low on the front. I mean, it was low. So I decided that I was going to raise the torsion bars. A little bit of a fiasco. It is on video somewhere. Especially if you have got C's torsion bar on one end. Anyway, we won't talk about that. But yeah, there she is. She's coming on. We're just a bit slow with some things. I mean, this has had quite a lot of work done in the shed. And so yeah, it was after, sort of, it went in there, and then when we moved all the cars around, as it's been the moving videos, some of the cars then got access to come into the shed space to have work done. And this is one of them, which had torsion bar rising, it had the gear lever sorted out, it had the door lock sorted out, it had the gear lever sorted out, it's got the dash top, it's got a wee bit more on the wiring for the panel lights. The tailgate will not latch at the moment, and it's got a problem. It needs to come over and up, which I need 2 people, so I couldn't do it on my own. I tried valiantly, but I couldn't do it. So from that point of view, we got the door tops. We just haven't got the door part, the cards made yet. So that's another job for Superman when I get a chance. And the wheels. I want to set a better set of wheels. Now up in the attic, I've got a set of powder coated steel wires. They're Mark Series 2 ones, so they'll be all right. And I just need to sort of work out whether I want to go with those white wall tyres, which I think would be quite interesting. I think they're quite nice if they were on a decent set of wheels. So yeah, so that's it. That's the only other thing for it to be done. And then hopefully this year we'll be out and about in it, won't we? We're going to be out and about it. We are going to be doing a rolling tour of places. So. Yeah, well, we don't know about that, but we'll see. But I think she looks 100% better now she's raised up and the exhaust system's better. Okay, so it's the EdShed on Carpet Fest Day. And Carpet Fest Day is going along pretty swimmingly at the moment. But we've done one, and we're now going to do this old girl. Now, you've seen this old girl, and she's appeared in lots of videos because she went from a wreck to road. Remarkably enough, she certainly did, and she looks great, I can say. I think she looks good. Now, what we're going to do, and what's actually happening, is we have got things that need to be done, but we're not going to cross. Yeah, we have actually. We've got loads of things that need to be done. Anyway, what we're going to do that. So Lee's done the floor carpet, I think by doing away with the footwell, by filling it full of insulation, I don't know. Obviously the centre console is not in because I want to try and get the reverse light switch working. Some of the other bits and pieces in here, obviously this seat is hideous. It's absolutely hideous, but I can't do anything about it. I'm not buying more interior. I'm not doing. If I could find a better base, I would, but I think it's a little bit over foamed, that base. I think you can see that, can't you? But it needs to be done. Obviously, steering wheel is not even on straight. Dash top is in the house still. Number plate is in that box. Sun visors are done, and so is the mirror. Now the sun visors need to be put in, but you need to have clean hands. And so that's something that can be done on a day when I'm feeling the urge. And I still haven't got any patents for these door panels. So I'm going to say that the door panels, I've got all the chrome, but I haven't got the actual wood. Now I don't know what to do, whether to try and make them out of vinyl or try and just make them out of, I don't know, something. But we've got these stupid plastic things to find. Did we ever find them plastic things? So we ain't got the plastic things, so we got to find them. And we need 4 of those. So I might have tried and make some of them in fiberglass, but we'll see when I find one of those moods. But she's dirty, she's very, very dirty. She does need a flat and a polished bear. I mean, she did come up and down really quick, so I think considering how bad it was, I think it's actually alright. And I don't mind driving the old girl. Well, I won't drive the old girl like that much. I'll try and drive it. But we'll see. And obviously, as I said before, it's just the finishing off and the silly things that take time. And it's the stuff that takes the time, which is where it soaks hours on stuff that you just would normally just think, oh God, that's quick. But it ain't. Nothing's quick. There's no such thing as a quick job on a bloody E-Type, I'm going to assure you. And as I say, on this particular one, she was thrown together in 5 months, really. So I can't, you know, hey, I think she's fine. I think she looks good. She drives. Now she's got a new exhaust. I think she'll be great. So, obviously carpet fitting on that one, and then he's all about, you might have a go at the old Tigre. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We got that wheel's got broken spokes anyway, so I can't really use that wheel at the back. Well, you can, but hey. Alright, that's enough on that old girl. If you enjoyed it, hey, like and subscribe, follow us about, and remember, we're going to do some first drives on some of these. You know, first drives of the new vehicles with a commentary, and so I need to get my camera person. So we will obviously try and take her for a test ride, and just give our general opinion on what we think of her. Talk to you soon. Bye.